Hi, I'm Rita Scott for the Lesson Box, and I'm at Young Explorers Montessori to share with you a math lesson which develops the math skills of number recognition and number order. Maria Montessori discovered that mathematics could not be poured into children's brains. Instead, they really had to understand for themselves. She understood that children need to see the math, such as quantity, volume, sequence, and so on, and touch the math, such as touching beads or counters or tiles. The hundreds board shows us the order of numbers by providing a way to physically order numbers in nice, neat rows of tens until we get to 100. It is a great tool to teach addition by counting along a row, and later teaching subtraction by moving back in a row. This image of a hundreds board gives a child a mental picture in the years to come, helping them visualize the order of numbers in their heads. But for now, let's introduce some numbers and their order. I will use my 3-period lesson method of naming each number, asking the child to recognize each number, and then asking the child to recall the number. Here we have a hundreds board that we purchased, and it comes with tiles, one number on each tile. We've put the tiles in little containers of tens, groups of tens, because we found that working with 100 tiles is overwhelming for a child. 10 at a time is very manageable. Or instead of buying a hundreds board, you can download one from the lessonbox.com. Here we have a printed out hundreds board on blue cardstock and a second numbers board printed out on beige cardstock, and then you can cut out the little squares to make your own tiles. Laminating these is a good idea. Here I have a control board that shows my number order, and I've isolated the first row, which is all I'm working with, by putting a piece of paper under it. Here's how I would demo the lesson. This is 1. This is 2. 3. 4, 5, 6, and I would continue naming the numbers and placing them in order, making the first row. I can check my work using my control chart right here. Next, I would ask the child to recall the numbers. Show me 1. The child should touch this tile. Show me 2. Yes, that is 2. Show me 3. And I will continue making my first row. Again, the child can check the order of the numbers using the control chart. And then lastly, the 3rd period, I would ask the child, where is 1? Hopefully they'll point to this tile. Where is 2? Yes, that is 2. Where is 3? Yes, that is 3. And the child will be able to check their work using the hundreds board control chart and continue making a row in the same order. Observe when the child masters the first row and then add the next row, one row at a time. The teens are often hard for a child, and they might say 10-1, 10-2. Don't correct the child, just say 11, 12, and so on. The child can use the control chart to check their work for each row. Thanks for watching. To tell us how this lesson worked for you, see today's new lessons, or submit a lesson to share, visit thelessonbox.com. Happy teaching!